The 2011 Toyota Tacoma. This is a pickup truck powered by a 2.7-liter four-cylinder engine with a 4-speed automatic transmission with overdrive. This four-wheel drive pickup truck, with fewer than 10,000 miles on the odometer, gets up to 21 miles per gallon. This Toyota features dual front airbags and four-wheel drive. Safety features include traction control, stability control, and ABS. Comfort and convenience features include power steering, a CD player, and air conditioning. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with the Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.